Louis Vuitton was born in 1921 in Anchay, a tiny village of France. He grew up in a modest family where every day was a struggle to survive. His father was a carpenter, his mother a milliner, both noble artisanal professions but precarious. From a very young age, Louis observed their movements, their efforts, and came to understand that manual labor could be a form of art, but also a means of survival. The sudden loss of his mother when he was only 10 shattered this already fragile balance. His father remarried quickly, but the new stepmother was strict, authoritarian, and at times cruel. The home became a prison. Sensitive and curious, Louis slowly withdrew, suffocated by a life far too small for his dreams. At 13, he made a radical decision to flee, to escape that house, that village, that futureless existence. Armed with courage, determination, and a few rudimentary tools, he began a journey of over 400 kilometers on foot. Destination: Paris. 2 years of wandering followed. He braved rain, wind, snow, and above all, loneliness. He slept under bridges, in barns, sometimes even deep in the forest. He accepted the humblest jobs: porter, street sweeper, farmhand. Some days he didn't eat. On others, he thought about giving up, but a small voice inside kept repeating, "Keep going." Through sheer willpower, endurance, and instinct, he finally reached Paris, and it was there, in that vast and unforgiving city, that his true transformation began. Arriving in Paris in 1837, Louis found a city on the rise. He became an apprentice to Monsieur Maréchal, a renowned drink maker, where his natural talent quickly dazzled his mentor. Precise and meticulous, Louis soon gained a reputation among a demanding clientele. Among them was Empress Eugénie herself, captivated by the exceptional quality of his work. Louis quickly grasped the importance of elegance and functionality in luggage, especially in an era when travel was becoming increasingly frequent. His passion for innovation grew with each passing day. In 1854, confident and ambitious, he opened his own shop on Rue Neuve des Capucines, permanently revolutionizing the world of luggage with groundbreaking designs. Success came swiftly, and Louis Vuitton quickly became a key reference in European high society. His innovations like the flat-top trunk made transportation far more practical, replacing the bulky, rounded chest of old. He also invented a revolutionary unbreakable lock, still used today as the ultimate symbol of security and artisanal excellence. Louis Vuitton passed away in 1892, leaving behind a prestigious brand and an immense legacy to his son, Georges Vuitton. Georges took the helm with great skill, honoring and amplifying his father's vision. In 1896, Georges introduced the now famous LV monogram, created as means to fight counterfeiting. This iconic pattern would soon become a global symbol of luxury and refinement. The 20th century marked a major turning point for Louis Vuitton. Georges Vuitton led the brand into global expansion, opening prestigious boutiques in London, New York, and Tokyo. House extended its offering beyond travel goods to luxury leather goods, accessories, jewelry, timepieces, and eventually haute couture. Louis Vuitton collaborated with world-renowned artists such as Takashi Murakami, Jeff Koons, Yayoi Kusama, Stephen Sprouse, and Virgil Abloh, reinventing its image and appealing to an increasingly broad and diverse clientele. Today, Louis Vuitton remains a pillar of global luxury. With the arrival of iconic designer Marc Jacobs in 1997, the brand took a bold turn into high fashion, modernizing its image and captivating a new generation. Under his artistic direction, Louis Vuitton became a must-see on international runways, blending tradition and avant-garde with boldness and creativity. The legacy of Louis Vuitton endures, shining brighter than ever, a living testament to the incredible journey of a young boy who started with nothing and became a universal symbol of prestige and excellence.